You know, I was asked, hey Fedge, are you going to, this weekend is Leesburg Bike Fest. Are you going to Leesburg Bike Fest? And I answered, listen, the problem that I have with going to these bike fests as a YouTuber is I think a lot of the younger, inexperienced YouTubers use these events because they have no other content. And so what you get is you get 10,000 versions of the same event. So I just think that it's a big waste of time. So let me say this of whether I'm going or not. I am... Hey, Chalet Fedge. I'm at the Leesburg Bike Fest. I'm not real big into metric bikes, but to me, two wheels are two wheels, and cool is cool. If you know what this bike is, this is probably one of the most rarest Hondas. In fact, I'll be honest with you, this is the second time I've ever seen one actually out in the wild. Now tell me that story again.
So I had that bike shipped from North Carolina back in 2008 or so. It had 2 miles on it. Now it has 50,000 miles. I ride it like I stole it.
And how rare is that bike?
So Honda built 3,000 motorcycles back in the day, 2004 and 2005. So I'm very lucky to have it. I'm not selling it, just in case.
This is the second one I've ever seen in the wild.
Oh wow!
And I've seen millions of motorcycles.
Wow.
It is really. What's your name, man, if you don't mind me asking?
I'm Munch Rosado. Munch.
A what?
Munch.
Munch. Where are you from?
I'm originally from Puerto Rico.
Hey, Showhead Fedge, and I'm still out in Leesburg, and guess who I found?
You found me, I found you. You're the celebrity here. I mean, that's not every day you get to see a winner of a class. I mean, Rod could be here, but he's not here. You're here. Separate, you know, with you. Do you have your trophy with you?
I do, actually.
Oh, good.
I
You should
brought
be
the
carrying it
car.
around everywhere.
I am.
Does he have a second place trophy with him?
No.
You know that's the first loser, right?
We got him a pacifier,
Oh.
and he seems to be sucking on that right
What's that cake? I want a piece of that cake. That you know, #2 cake.
We got it in the freezer. Next time I see you, I'll bring it to you.
Shovelhead, this guy, man, I'm telling you, you just bested him. I mean, how do you take first place? 6 months of shit talking? That's the best. Look at this guy. Look at him. He doesn't even know what to do with himself. He's just
I'm
glowing,
humble.
you know?
I'm humble.
Humble my ass. He's humble. He's not humble one little bit. He said he won. Screw you.
Yeah. You know, all kidding aside, I love going to bike events. I love seeing all different types of bikes. I do love to smell the food, eat the food, and because I'm usually dieting because I'm a big fat bastard, and so generally I'm dieting. But when I go out of town, I always put on the feed bag. But I do enjoy the bike events. I love the smell, the just everything about it, man. It's just really cool. Just messing with you. What I don't like is I really don't like filming it because I like to look at all the bikes and all, and I generally forget to film things. Fedge, I wanted to introduce some new merchandise that we have. You know, I wear the hat because I think the hat is funny. In fact, I just want to relate a quick little story. Is the other day I was going in a place and some lady looked at my hat and she called me a dumb son of a bitch, and I said, you need to learn how to read, you old hag. And then she called me a jackass once she realized what the hat said. I thought it was funny, man. Pissing off people one at a time. Listen, it put a thought in my head, and it made me introduce a new piece of merchandise that we have, and it's for the other side, man. It's simple. You know, if we're gonna do it for one side, we'll do it for the other side. But the reality is, man, I ain't trying to make no political statement. I'm not trying to make no political statement at all. What I'm doing is making a comedic statement. If you don't think it's funny, listen, you can go down to Harbor Freight. Right now they got 2-for-1 personality and sensitive humor. You know, you gotta laugh. You know, I mean, things are in a world of crap right now, and just have fun with life and stuff like that, and that's what I believe in. So any of you keyboard warriors that want to start, you know, saying, oh, this and that, no, dude, just I'm a political atheist. I don't believe that any of them have our best interest. That's just my own personal feeling. We do have new stickers for sale, and we do have a new giveaway program. The bike is there. You can't see it, but it's a 1980 shovel head. If you'll go to my website, shovelheadfits.com, check out the bike, and it's a new giveaway. Very limited number of stickers. This hat, that hat, very limited number. Didn't get a whole lot because whatever, man. Anyway, I thought it was funny. Go to my website, shovelheadfeds.com, and pick up a sticker. If you buy one of the sticker, it's a special sticker. We'll put you in a drawing for a really, really sweet 1980 shovelhead. I call it Miami Nice. That's just what I call it. And pick up some merchandise. I do appreciate it. It's the fuel that keeps this going. I want to find these old relics. I call them heirlooms, these old bikes, and then fix them up, pretty them up, get them running good, get them mechanically sound as I possibly can, and then pass it on to you because it's a passion of mine. I love motorcycles. I eat, drink, and sleep motorcycles. I had to end the video. The reason why I had to end the video and you didn't get all of it is because Miss Dee Dee, we ended up having to rush her to the emergency, and she's all right. She's doing fine. We found that I prescribed her 2 scoops of chocolate chip mint ice cream, and it seemed to help her out, so all is good. Anyway, I had to end the video early just because, man, you get old and tired and stuff like that. So anyway, man, go to my website and please help with the merchandise. We appreciate every one of you guys, appreciate all the subscribers. We appreciate the guys that are buying the merchandise, and man, you're honestly making me and Miss Dee Dee's dream come true. I don't know if this is her dream as much as it is mine, but her dream is to see me happy, and man, I can't beat that. So anyway, man, love you guys. Peace.
Well, Leesburg, we appreciate it. We had a good time. Got to leave kind of early. Miss Dee Dee got a messed up flipper. Would it be a flipper or a paddle?
Both.
She's got a gitch in her get along. So we got to call it a day. It's what happens when you're, when you're a little older and you can't do this stuff all day. We've been here, what, 6 hours, 8 hours? I don't know. Been a good time. And I got to get her to the car, wherever it is, and it's lost. We're lost. Mommy! Mommy! Did you see that helicopter in the tree?